So we had some strong wind and rain last night. Blew my new cover right off Bugsy. Again, still not get any windows, so he's a bit wet inside. What's the best way to dry your car? Go for a drive, of course. Going far. This is really just get rid of any water lying about, and also I like to keep my project cars rolling, take them out at least once a week regardless of the weather, because you know what it's like, a car sitting still is going to seize up, things are going to just strangely wear out without use, you know, it's weird. So as I say, just a short drive. I'm going to nip over at Home Depot, got a couple of things to get, and then when we get back it's going to be the next round of the past profession game, so stay tuned. Really need to think about getting windows in this thing. Anyway, I just picked up something pretty important for winter. That'll be in a video coming very soon. Hopefully not too soon. Okay, I just bumped into a fellow by the name of Paul. Hello, Paul. Paul's claim to fame is, while he was at Barrett-Jackson many years ago, he was looking at all the cars that had sold, and he asked one of the guys, why is there no price on the sold signs? And they said, oh, no one's ever asked. To this day, Barrett-Jackson now have Barrett-Jackson now have the sold prices on all the cars they sell, thanks to Paul. Nice one. Anyway, where do we go now? It's okay. It's part of the fun. The adrenaline keeps you warm. Anyway, we're almost home. See you in a minute. Good for another week. Well, that was awesome. Just a short drive, but it just makes you appreciate how great Bugsy is. And he wouldn't have been that great without your help. Right from the start, people have been sending me parts and giving me advice, and I truly appreciate it. Great car, love it. Okay, what are we doing now? Oh yeah, round 10 of
the PV game.
On the last round, I asked if I was a Chinese food delivery driver, a motorbike auction worker, or a car salesman. I was in fact Chinese food delivery driver. Believe it or not, this was the most important job of my life. Why? Because that's where I met my lovely wife. I was delivering food, waiting for the next delivery, and a couple of hot chicks walked by and we got talking, and before you know it, we're married with 2 children. That was the short version. Okay, on to round 10. Was one of my past professions A, a Tesco shelf stalker, B, a chip shop fryer, C, a dance floor installer? Leave your answer in the comment section below to be in with a chance to win a number of Scott Rod's goodies. Okay folks, thanks for watching today. I will be back out in Bugsy next week. I'm not putting them away in storage. You'll get a cover thrown on. Hopefully it will stay on this time. And I'll get stuck into work on the new project in the garage. Take care everyone. Till the next time. Bye bye.